All right, guys, welcome back. I got these paddle shifters here, the stock ones. All right, so I'm getting ready to remove the airbag. So there's a little hole here that you gotta punch a hole with the screwdriver. Pop it free. I got the airbag loose, so now we gotta just pop the harness out of the airbag. So I'm getting ready to remove the screws. It's a T20 Torx. All right, so just gonna remove this harness. So remove the bolts, so the paddle shifter is already loose. So we're just gonna pull on the harness here. All right, so I removed the wire. So I'm just gonna take this out. Something else is connected to it. All right, so I'm getting ready to remove the other one. Harness, you just pull on it real hard. All right, there we go. Loose. Get the other one out. All right, so I'm getting ready to put the other one back in. I got the harness plugged in. I'm getting ready to tighten up the paddle shifter. Alright, so that's tight. Harness plugged in. Alright, so let's get ready to put the airbag back in. Pop the airbag back in.
sounds really